Hi, we're your yearbook editors. We want to tell you for the first time this year, you get to take and pick your own school photo. There are two ways you can do it. You can upload it through the eShare app, or you can upload it on the website.
To upload your photo through the app, you will first need to download the HJ eShare app on your phone or a guardian's phone. When you open up the app, you can type in our school code, which is APEX in all caps, add your first and last name, an email, and a phone number, which is optional.
On the HJ eShare website, put in the school code APEX in all caps. Put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and confirm it. Your phone number is an optional box. Click I agree and upload a student portrait. Once you finish reading all portrait guidelines, click Next. Then browse for portrait image and either take the photo or choose the photo. Cropping is optional. Then click Next. Put in your grade, your first name, your last name, and your fourth period teacher. Then click Next. Once you're happy with your photo, click Upload Portrait Image. And remember, this is available for both laptop, PC, and mobile devices.
Please do your best to submit a photo that's a portrait, so meaning it's vertical and from the chest or midsection up. Also try to avoid stuff like logos, textures, timestamps, and things like that on it. And you also want to make sure the photo is in JPG or JPEG form. And the last thing is try to avoid doing like hand gestures and hand signs in the photo. But other than those things, you can basically do what you want. But just remember it's going to go in the yearbook, so make sure that you're happy with it.
If you choose not to send in a school photo, your portrait will just say your name on it, so we really hope that you send one in. Thank you.